Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start selling on Etsy step by step clearly. To start selling on Etsy, first, create an Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and click on Sign In at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, select Register to create one. Provide your email address, create a password, and choose a shop name. The shop name should reflect your brand and be easy to remember. Next, set up your shop profile. Choose your shop language, country, and currency. Then, add shop details like a bio and profile picture to connect with potential customers. Now, it's time to create your product listings. Click on Listings on your Shop Manager dashboard and select Add a Listing. Upload high-quality images of your products showcasing different angles. Write a detailed description, including size, materials, and production methods. Choose appropriate keywords to help improve search visibility. Set a price for your items based on materials, time, and market research. Next, configure your shipping settings. Decide if you'll offer free shipping or charge a flat rate. Enter package dimensions and wait for accurate shipping costs. After that, set up payment methods. Etsy offers several options, such as Etsy Payments, which is convenient for most buyers. Provide your bank information to receive payments directly. Once your shop is ready, preview everything to ensure it meets your standards. If satisfied, click on Publish to make your shop live. Promote your shop through social media, blogs, and online communities related to your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to inquiries and feedback promptly. Keep an eye on your shop statistics to understand customer preferences. Finally, continually update your listings, add new products, and refresh your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.